viral newspaper clipping circulating on X and WhatsApp has sparked political debate, claiming to show a 1967 front page of The Hindu with a headline suggesting that former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had urged people not to buy gold for national discipline. The timing of the circulation is significant as it comes after Prime Minister Narendra Modi reportedly made an appeal asking citizens to avoid gold purchases amid the West Asia crisis. Those sharing the image are drawing a comparison between the two leaders. However, the clipping has been confirmed as fake. The editor of The Hindu, Suresh Nambath, clarified that the publication has no connection to the viral image and urged the public not to share it. Journalist Rajdeep Sardesai also stated on X that the clipping is AI generated and not genuine, while sharing authentic historical references from similar economic periods. Despite the fake image, historical records show that Indira Gandhi did appeal to citizens in the past to avoid gold purchases as part of economic discipline during a period of financial crisis. BJP leader Ashoka also confirmed that such an appeal was made in 1967. At that time, India was facing severe economic stress following the 1965 war, drought conditions, and a sharp decline in foreign exchange reserves, which had fallen significantly and led to a major currency devaluation. The report also highlights that India has seen similar economic appeals in the past. During the 1962 India-China War, citizens were urged to donate gold to the National Defence Fund. In 1991, during a balance of payments crisis, India even pledged gold to foreign banks to avoid default. In 2013, the government again urged restraints in gold purchases to control the widening current account deficit. The current political debate intensified after opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi, described Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal as an admission of failure, while Aam Aadmi Party leaders questioned whether it indicated economic distress. On the other hand, BJP leaders argued that similar appeals were made by previous Congress governments and said the opposition is politicizing routine economic measures. Some analysts also pointed out that India's current economic strength, including large foreign exchange reserves, is significantly stronger than in earlier decades. A viral clipping has therefore been debunked, but has triggered a wider debate on economic policy, historical comparisons, and political messaging. The key question that remains is, does such an appeal reflect economic caution or deeper concerns about the economy? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.